Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Pastels Spring Collection from Double Dip Nails. I'm super excited to try this one out. I do have the whole kit to review, so let's get right into it. So first on the top here, we have the dip powder instructions packet. It gives instructions for if you've never done dip before to give you an idea of how it goes and also about how to remove it. Next up, it looks like we have a brush. I don't have this one from them yet, so this is cute. Next up, I believe this is their dip liquid kit. So in here, it looks like we have a packet of a file, a buffer, spare brushes. We have this little card here with a free gift coupon. So in here we have the top, which is in blue, activator, which is yellow, and then the, whoop, it's kind of stuck in here. And then the red, which is the base. So now we have the 6 different colors from this kit. They're packaged in a bag like this all together. We have one more thing, and then we have another color. This looks like a gold glitter. Also comes in this super cute bag. I do already have several of these and they're great for storing nail stuff. I really love them. So like how I usually do my other swatch videos, I will first be swatching out all of these colors on these sticks here to give you an idea of what they all look like. I'm super curious too, these look really pretty. And then I will decide which ones I want to do and do a manicure on myself using them so you get to see how they look on an actual hand. So I'm super excited, so let's get right into it. Let's start off with a super spring-like color. So we have here Emerald. This looks like a super pretty light green emerald color. Alright, and I absolutely love this color. I think it's so perfect for spring and I will probably be using it in the manicure I do later. I found it just a bit sheer in 2 coats. 3 might be optimal, especially if you have longer nails. Next up we have a beautiful pastel purple. This one is called Magnolia. Super pretty. This one reminds me of another purple I have from them called Evening Gown. That's also pretty similar to this one. So it does look like Double Dip changed their brushes a little bit. They are now black instead of clear like they had last time, and also they're a little bit thinner. But anyways, about this color, I found it very pretty light purple. Here is a side-by-side comparison of Magnolia with Evening Gown. As you can tell, Magnolia is a little bit darker, but pretty similar. All right, now let's do a glitter color. This one is called Enchanted. This one looks like a beautiful glittery white silver one. But this is another gorgeously crafted powder from Double Dip. I so love this one. I usually don't think of like silver glitter as part of spring, but I think I'll definitely find a way to also incorporate this one into my manicure. Next we have a pink color. This one is called Bunny Nose. This color is super cute and spring-like. I really love it. Next up, we have a pastel blue here called Clear Sky. I found this color to be very similar to the green one we tried, just kind of like a blue version. Here is the blue one right next to the green. As you can tell, they're both very light and subtle and very pretty. Next up, we have another glitter color. This one is called Champagne Gold. Another absolutely gorgeous color, but super fun and festive, and I love it. And the last color that came in the kit is actually a clear base, which I thought it was going to be color, but actually clear dip powder is super helpful for doing nail art and encapsulating it. You guys might have seen the glitters I was watching from my last video with Double Dip, and some of them were really chunky and would look a lot smoother and prettier if you had something to encapsulate them with. So yep, this is the last powder. I will definitely keep this, and I won't do a swatch of it because it'll just be clear. But alright guys, here are swatches of all these 6 colors. I love these all. They are so cute and spring-like. I'm now going to plan out what I'm going to do for my manicure. I probably won't get to use all of these colors, but I will be able to try out some of them. So yeah, let's get right into it. So right now on my nails, as you saw from my last video, I did do a poly gel overlay and extension for all my nails. And right now they do have a gel top coat on them. And I'm just going to use peel off base coat over that. And this will allow me to easily remove it and still have the poly gel underneath. I learned this trick actually from Andy from Andy's Nails. If you haven't checked out her channel yet, I'd highly recommend it. She does really fun nail videos. I'm going to begin with the pink color, and we are going to do 2 coats on the pinky nail. I'm then going to do 2 coats of the silver glitter on the ring nail. On the middle nail, I'm going to do an ombre between the blue and the pink. Then I'm going to protect the ombre from filing we're going to do afterwards with a coat of the clear. And I'm going to try adding some of these rhinestones to what I create afterwards. For the pointer nail, I'm going to do 2 coats of the purple. And then on the thumbnail, an ombre between the purple and the green. Then I am proceeding to activator. I'm then going to shape and file these. Then I'm going to reactivate all of the nails. After it dries, I'm then going to cleanse all the nails with alcohol and just scrub and make sure that there is no nail dust caught anywhere. And then we're going to top coat these guys. So I'm going to apply quickly 1 coat and then wait till that dries. Then I have these little stickers I'm going to be using to decorate these a little bit. Someone gave them to me and I wasn't really sure how I was going to use them, but I thought I'd throw them into this mani. So, because I don't know, they look kind of spring-like. So at first I wasn't sure if they were all in one bundle all together, so I kind of struggled a little bit with pinky. But anyways, I figured out that if I used an orange stick, it was easier to lift it off the paper. And they were very sticky and just stuck right to the nails. So I went along and did some for all the nails except the glitter one, which I wanted to leave plain. And then we're just going to go in for that final coat of top coat, just to add some more gloss. And I'm not going to be going over the rhinestones just because sometimes that kind of clouds them a little bit. I actually do like that all their brushes are a little bit smaller. I just find them to be a little bit more precise and easier to use. In a sense, sometimes I like the bigger ones, but I think it fits my nail size very well. So here are the finished nails. I love these so much. I think it's so spring-like, but also really kind of fun and blinged out with the rhinestone look. So I do want to thank Double Dip Nails for sending these over for me to try out. I do also have a coupon code for 20% off anything from their online store if you're interested. My code is Polish Queen and I'll have that linked below. So I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, I would love it if you'd leave a like on this video and check out my playlist of other dip powder nails I do. So thank you so much for your support on my channel. I hope to see you in my next upload, and until next time, have a magical day.